Alright, Mazda 2 2010 DE. Engine mounts. Transmission for this automatic is underneath all this. You can see the transmission. Underneath that, we've got to remove the battery and some brackets. Let's get to it. Alright, so once you remove the battery, you got these. Once you remove the battery tray, you got this bracket, which is these. And now you've got access to the transmission mount. These two bolts hold the transmission to the mount, and these two bolts hold the mount to the chassis. As always, support the transmission. Done so with jack and block of wood. Now you got access to the mount. So this is the old mount. Looks okay. Bit flexy. And we're going to replace it with Febest. This is also Febest, but this is a new Febest. Looks slightly different. Maybe they've changed it a bit. Bit of movement for the holes to line up. There we can see there's differences. Oh, much more stronger. Weightier as well. Let's get this one installed.